Alright, so Garmin just dropped the Quatix 8, and if you're into boats, charts, or just really want a smartwatch that does a lot more than count your steps, this thing's gonna be your new favorite toy. It's basically the Fenix 8's sea-loving cousin, but cooler if you're the type who gets excited about autopilot control from your watch. Yes, autopilot on your wrist. So here's what makes it seriously fun. You can steer compatible boats straight from the watch, stream real-time boat info like water depth, RPM, and wind speed right to your arm, and even get alerts for things like tide changes or if your anchor's dragging. Sailors, this thing has tack assist, race timers, and you can even boss around your trolling motor or entertainment system without leaving the deck. Now, let's talk about looks. That 1.4-inch AMOLED display, bright, crisp, and super readable in direct sunlight. It comes in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, and both have that premium feel thanks to a titanium bezel, sapphire glass, and leak-proof buttons. Oh, and it's dive rated to 40 meters, built to military standards, and tough as nails. Basically, this thing can survive a storm and a clumsy drop on the dock, and yeah, it talks back. There's a built-in speaker and mic so you can take Bluetooth calls, shout voice commands to your Garmin chart plotter, or just flex on land with Garmin Pay when you grab your post-sale coffee. Smart notifications, check. Two-way texting through Garmin Messenger, yep. You can literally stay connected even when you're off the grid. Now for the health side of things, it's loaded. We're talking heart rate, Garmin's latest Elevate Gen 5 sensor, pulse ox, body battery, sleep coaching, ECG readings if your country allows it, and a truckload of sports apps. Runners, golfers, skiers, you're all covered. It even gives you stuff like an endurance score and visual race predictor, which sounds intense because it is. Navigation, super dialed in. With multi-band GPS and Sat IQ tech, it locks on fast and stays accurate even in weird terrain. You've got topo active maps, ski view, golf course view, and ABC sensors, altimeter, barometer, compass, basically everything you'd want, whether you're hiking a ridge or charting a course offshore. Battery life? Oh man, the 47mm model gives you up to 16 days, and the bigger 51mm beast stretches that to 29 days in smartwatch mode. That's nearly a month of adventure before you even think about recharging. So yeah, the quatix 8 isn't just a smartwatch. It's a full-blown marine control center, wrapped in titanium with fitness tracking, maps, voice calls, and way too many cool features to list in one breath. If you live for the water or just want the most overqualified smartwatch out there, it starts at $1,199.99 for the 47mm and $1,299.99 for the 51mm. All right, that's it from me. Catch you in the next one. Peace.